If you are into the IT sector, you have a skill in IT, information technology, today is your happy day, because I'll be talking about top 7 high profitable business ideas that you can do with your IT skills so that you can deploy these skills into someone else's business and be making huge amount of money per month, or you can use it to start your own business. Let's get into this video without wasting much of our time. Now, remember, this business is basically for individuals with IT skills. Like I said in my last researched video, the information communication technology sector is currently booming. Let's see how IT experts can take maximum advantage of this sector. All right, let's start. Let's go straight to number one. Number one, what can you do if you have IT skills? What can you literally do right now? Now, one of the things you can venture into is cybersecurity consulting services, right? Cybersecurity consulting firm will be one of the top choice for you to go into right now, especially if you have any skill at all, or perhaps you have certification program like CCNA, CCIP, cybersecurity based certification. You can literally work with someone or establish your own cybersecurity consulting firm with your expertise in assessing, implementing, and managing cybersecurity for business. This will be the best option for you if you have the skill. And eventually, if you decide to go into this, what kind of services can you provide that is currently doing well in the industry right now? Top services you can start providing is cyber security audit, right? Security audit is what you can start rendering as a service. Another thing you can do is penetration testing, where you help businesses to check if their business can withstand any type of threat or hacking activities by hackers. So you help them to test to be sure that they can withstand it and prevent it. Another thing you can do is incident response planning. And also, last but not the least, security awareness training, where you get to train individuals and the businesses you are going to be working with on how they can take security measures if anything happens. The moment you do this, you're going to be helping organizations protect their digital assets and also data from cyber threats. I would recommend, if you want to go into this business, focus on the banking and the financial sector, right? Because this sector is literally the sector that need most attention, because they are the one with the money, and what you want to be protecting the most is the money. Let's go into number 2. The second business idea you can go into right now is cloud computing solution, right? So at this point, if you are going to cloud computing, which simply means that you are going to specialize in providing cloud computing solution for businesses looking to migrate to cloud or optimize their cloud infrastructure. So we have a lot of businesses who are still operating manually, all their information stored in a physical drive and all that. So right now, your job is to help them migrate from what they are currently using into the cloud, or you can just help them optimize their infrastructure by providing services like cloud migration, architecture design, cloud security, and cost optimization. When you do this, you will help companies to leverage on the scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency of cloud technology. And that will be a fantastic service to render to individuals who need this particular service, because they're going to be paying you huge amounts of money. Idea number 3 is mobile app development agency. You got to love this if you are a coder or somebody who knows how to develop mobile app, right? You will just start your mobile app development agency that creates custom mobile application for businesses, startups, and individuals, where you can offer services such as iOS app, Android app, or cross-platform app development to these businesses. And when you are doing such, you need to make sure that you include UI and UX design, right? And also back-end integration, testing, maintenance, to help clients reach their target audience and to enhance user engagement. These are mostly the features that business owners are going to need to have on their app. If you can provide that by giving them an opportunity to work with you as a mobile app development agency, then you're going to be making a huge bank. Let's go to idea number 4. Idea number 4 is data analytic and business intelligence services, right? At this point, if you are going into this business, it simply means that you are going to be providing data analytic and business intelligence service to help organization extract insight from their data and to make informed decision. You see, banks, huge organizations, they always have too much data. So at a point, they will need to be able to have a certain kind of system that will help them analyze this data so that they can make profound decisions that will change the trajectory of their business, so that they can eventually make profit and also minimize cost in what they are doing in their business. So they are going to be needing your service, and if you want to offer such kind of service, I would recommend you go with data visualization, predictive analytics, data mining, and dashboard development. Dashboard development will help them see every aspect of their business in one place, right? They're going to see how customer is transacting, how people are making payments, the back end, every other aspect of the business. They're going to be seeing that. Every MD is going to love that. All CEOs would like to see their data in one place so that they can know what is happening, what is going on, and what they need to add to their business for them to make more profit. If you can provide that with the intelligence service, beautiful, then you should be doing well with your IT skill. Business idea number 5, IT infrastructure management. If you can offer IT infrastructure management service to business that requires support in managing their network, their servers, their storage, and their IT systems, then you are in the right place. Because with the growing subscribers, with the growing IT industry, with the growing use of gadgets, laptop, systems, network, mobile app, mobile phones, definitely infrastructure management is required to be able to store client data, to be able to give them fast response, especially when it comes to servers and network. So you can decide to provide services such as network monitoring, system administration, disaster recovery planning, and IT security management to ensure the business reliability, security, and performance of their IT infrastructure. If they are able to get this done, definitely their business will start operating optimally. And if their business is operating optimally, it simply means that they are going to be making more revenue and more profit. So they won't have any issues paying you whatsoever you desire to be paid for your services. Let's go to skill or business idea number 6. Business idea number 6 is all about e-commerce solution providers, right? You can see every now and then we see different type of e-commerce coming into the space. Different type of e-commerce for selling, for buying, and the one that also allow people to upload their services, or individual businesses are now having their own e-commerce platform where they can sell their own products. So because of that, the e-commerce sector is booming a lot. So what you can do is to focus on providing solutions for businesses looking to establish or enhance their online presence. So you can provide services such as e-commerce website development, right? So you can develop the website for them to now start selling their own products. You can also provide services like payment gateway integration, where you can help them integrate payment gateway so that they can receive money on their e-commerce platform as they sell their product or as their customer patronize them. And that thing you can do is inventory management. These guys are selling a lot. If you have a big brand that are selling products a lot on their platform, then definitely they will need inventory management to be able to keep track of what is being sold, how much is left, what stock need to be added, and all that. Another thing you can do is digital marketing agency. You can start a digital marketing platform where you can help them to promote, run digital ads, help them run Facebook ad, Google ad, LinkedIn ad, Instagram ad, and the rest to help your clients and businesses sell their products and services online and to reach wider customer base. If you can do this again with your IT skills, my friend, you're good to go. You'll be making a lot of money. Last but not the least, let's go to idea number 7. Idea number 7 is IT training and certification. If you don't know how to implement any of this idea from idea number 1 to idea number 6, it simply means that you need this particular service, right? It simply means you need the service of an IT certification center. And also, if you are someone who is trying to move into the IT sector, or you are currently studying anything related to IT, which means very soon you will still be in this sector, then this video is also for you. So idea number 7 is IT training and certification programs. This one is something that, as long as you have any IT skill at all, if you don't want to start your own business, like you don't want to start your own services of rendering the skill and helping other people produce results, or working with somebody, then this should be your number 1 option, right? Where you can develop and deliver IT training and certification programs for individuals seeking to enhance their IT skill or pursue a career in this area, which is in information technology. Now, services that you can offer or courses that you can offer are courses like programming languages. Just look for something simple like Python, like some of the front-end development and also some of the back-end development. Or you can just teach them how to be a full-stack developer or front-end developer and just get some of this framework that you can teach them with. Let them choose whichever framework, or you can teach them what you already already know, right? Another thing you can do is cybersecurity. If you have skill in that, or you can get somebody else that can teach that particular aspect of it in your course or in your own training center. Another thing you can do is cloud computing, right? Teach them all those things about cloud computing. Also go for data science and IT project management. These are the areas. These areas are the most lucrative areas in the IT sector if you want to teach it as a course in your center. Now, for some of you who are currently watching this video, you are not an IT person, or you are not grounded in any of the skill that I mentioned from the first one, right? You are not grounded in any of these skills. You are not grounded in cybersecurity. You are not grounded in cloud computing solutions. You don't know much about mobile app development, or you are just learning. You don't know much about data science and business intelligence services. You don't know much about infrastructure management. You don't know much about e-commerce solution providing. Then what you should go and do right now is all of you go and look for somebody who is providing this kind of service, right? Who is giving training on this. Go and learn it. And as a matter of fact, make sure the center is teaching any of these particular programs. If they are teaching these programs, then be sure that you are going to get something very good. If they are teaching it, enroll for one of them, then start your career there. At this point, I want to introduce you to Preneur Academy. Preneur Academy is an online platform, right, where you can get to learn most of these skills. If you are in Nigeria, you are in Benin Republic, you are in Ghana, you are in Togo, across the African continent, you'll be able to learn these skills on the Preneur Academy platform. I will drop link below so that you can go check it out and see the kind of courses that are available. Go and learn. A lot of people have been testifying about how the program is. So go and get some in-demand IT skills for yourself and start making money. And also, in case you are not ready to go learn anything about IT, you are not interested in learning anything about IT, click here to go watch the next video about how to make money in the IT sector, but without having the IT skills, right? You don't need any technical skills. You don't need any of these things that I just mentioned now. You just other normal skills that you need, right? You don't need any of these skills. You don't need any of the IT skills that I mentioned right now. You can still make money in the information and communication technology sector and make it big time. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Go and watch it. Thank you very much.